And the first real value is producing really the data and combining them together. The AI, if applied at a scale, it can really bridge the gap between your pre-blast and post-blast data silos. And what I mean by that is a lot of the times you have several contractors and you have different stakeholders working together in a same problem, but the data has been always structured in silos, and we often look into improving one silo but not improving the other silos. You can embed unique AI tools each step to understand and find those anomalies where the leakage is there, or where you are losing certain valuable outcome, or the cost, or the profitability, and then really honing that down. That could affect your downstream operations as well. So identifying those scenarios, so bringing everything together as a comprehensive process. If you can bring it together and put it into a feedback loop, the magic of AI can work behind the scenes, and you will find opportunities for continuous improvement. You have a blast design data, drilling log from measure while drilling, machine data, geotechnical data, you have a borehole survey data, and then the fragmentation data, and then also how my equipment performed based on the muck pile shape that was created or any ore movement information. And on top of that, the environmental related data like vibrations can also be brought together and then run in a various set of scenarios to understand where the improvement can possibly happen. And this is not in a days, but within few seconds. The capabilities of your operations continues to get better and improve real time, from here on. And you'll gain a competitive advantage for running your operations.